All right, traders, I am back again to update you on the Aussie US dollar trade setup. As you can see, this trade setup has worked out a little bit for a good 75 pip profit, but I think there's still more to be made here. Now, be careful here because we're approaching a relevant area. It's going to be 70468, and I think when price hits this level, you may see price drop and pull back and then go again, or else we could possibly get into a range level here. So what I would be looking at is this could become a range area for a little bit, and then you may see price drop back down into this level here and then take off again. But I think eventually we'll see this level violated. If not this time, we'll see it violated shortly or later. All right, but what I'm looking at is we still have strength. There's no divergence here on the RSI. So I'm going to stay with the strength. You have a crossover that's bullish. You have future that's bright with a lot of sunshine, as you have a thin cloud starting to develop with the angle starting to get a little bit of angulation to it. So we need to get that momentum in the market. And then Chico span, I know where Chico span is. It's above this price level over here. All right, so we have all bullish signals and no reason for us to be thinking about a short opportunity right now. We violated these bull fractals. We're approaching a resistance level that's really strong, so we want to be careful. We want to look to take some profit, and that way if the market drops, we could still stick into the trade and then maybe get to the move out. So what we would be looking for is something much like this, guys. We would be looking either the market's going to bounce off of that level and then break, all right, or else the market's going to do something like this. So this is where you can watch where you put your stop loss. If we could violate here and then continue a little bit and then come back, the market likes to come back to these points here and then take off again. So if the market violates here, you may want to put your stop loss from wherever you have it now, just move it up a little tighter, give the market some room, and then see if it can violate that level. Once it violates that level, then you'll move your stop loss up, because that now you're going to use this level as like basically a stop loss level. So you're going to have your stop loss a little below that level, and then let the market continue to see if we can get a big move here, right? So that's what we're looking for there. All right, so let's go to the daily time frame really quick. Show you what's going on with that. So on the daily, we do have some signs of, again, it looks like we're reaching that top. So you could see on the daily, so I'll draw it in for you guys. Where we look at that daily, we see this top here, and we see this could be a range. All right, so if the market can't violate this level, we may see it come back and then maybe violate or come all the way back down here. So we don't really know what the market's going to do right yet. So we're just going to be patient, take our profit that we have, see if we can violate this level. If we do, we'll just watch for target here, as we have to try to violate this cloud. It's a thin area, so I think we can violate that point. And then I think that we'll be looking for the next level that we would be looking for is for the market to get, if we violate the cloud, to get up into this area here. All right, but that's long term. We need to violate this point here. We need to get our trade taking off and going to the upside and violating these bull fractals here. Until it does that, we're still stuck in a range here. That's what's going to happen. All right, traders, so hopefully you got into this opportunity, and if you're not in this opportunity, there will be others like that. And if you want to continue to catch these opportunities, please just look at becoming a member, and you will be able to catch these opportunities along with weekly webinars and weekly market forecasts and a lot more. We have a forum and a lot of other things, so that'll help you, and we'll keep updating these trade setups to let you guys learn and profit at the same time. All right, guys, have a great night and a great trading day tomorrow. God bless. So long.